When your children arrive at the school and throughout the day, they will be asked to continue social distancing. As you see, the school has placed markings on the floor. They are 6 feet apart so that students have a guide on which to walk through the halls. You will also see there are signs on the walls, reminders for mask wearing, hand washing, germs, and social distancing.
Good morning, Jess. How are you this morning? Can you make sure you rub your hands really good together and go put your backpack inside your cubby and go find your spot, please? All of your guys' breakfast is ready for you guys. Good morning, Suzanne. How are you this morning?
I'm wonderful.
Make sure you get both sides of your hands. Good job. Thank you. Can you put your backpack away and go find your name?
Parents and students, you will be given tags to place on your backpacks in order to identify who are the students who are picked up and dropped off by a parent or guardian, and who are the students who ride the bus. This is in order to maintain efficiency and safety when dismissing and arriving at school.
All right, class, now that we're ready to eat breakfast, if you could please grab your bag of your lanyard out of your green cubby or blue cubby that's next to you. Go ahead and take it out of the bag. What I need for you to do is on your earpiece, please pull off your mask on both sides, just touching your earpieces. You get your lanyard and you slip it over the piece that goes over your ear on both sides. Stick it inside your shirt so that way you do not spill food on it, please. Once you have completed that, you may now open your breakfast and begin eating. Hey class, I see most of you are done eating. I need you to go ahead as soon as you're finished eating, go ahead and put your mask, take it out of your shirt, and go ahead and put it back on. Make sure it covers your nose and comes under your chin. I will come around and pick up your trash, but if you have a milk, I need you to go ahead and close your milk so that way it does not spill in the garbage. For the rest of your trash, I need you to grab from corner to corner and then from the other corner to the other corner and gently place your trash inside the garbage so that way it does not splash all over me. Make sure you have your mask on. Great job. Thank you, Brenda. Thank you, Jess. Thank you, Jess. Thank you, Sandra. So class, it's now time for me to sanitize before we go outside. If you could please move back away from your table so that way I could spray your table and wipe it off. Remember, after I'm done wiping, if you could sing the ABCs so that way it could dry in that time. I do not hear anybody singing.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay. Jess G, today is your turn to pick where you want to go first. Would you like, we have chalk. 3 people could be on chalk. We have the climbing structure. We could play with the balls, or you could play with the slide and the climbing structure on that side, or you could play on the tire swing by yourself. Those are our choices. Jess, where would you like to play this today for recess? Tire swing. Good job. Can you please line up on the pink feet, please? Jess P., it is your turn. Where would you like to go for recess today? To chalk, climbing structure, or would you like to play with the ball or the slide?
Play with the ball.
Good job. Can you line up on the green feet, please? Brenda, your turn. Where would you like to go?
To the chalk.
To the chalk. Good job. Can you line up on the orange feet? Remember to social distance. Make sure that you keep your hands to yourselves. If you stretch your arms out, that is the distance we need to stay from each other. Please stay on the red marks as we walk out. Thank you. You guys are doing an amazing job. Remember to go line up on a black mark, please. Go ahead and grab your ball. Great job. Go get on a black line. Your chalk.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Great job. Make sure you line up on a swirl. When you get to your destination, you may take off your mask and set it inside your shirt just so that way you don't get caught on any of the equipment. Jess, go ahead. You may go to the tire swing. Jess P., you could go ahead and go over and play with the ball. You could go ahead and pick the square to do your chalk in. Suzanne, yes, that square looks perfect. Suzanne, you could go play where you're going to play. And Sandra, you could play in this square right here so that way you guys are social distance. Remember, we do not share our chalk. Now that all of you are in your area, you may take off your mask. It is now time for you to go ahead and place your mask back on your face. Make sure that it covers your nose and covers up your chin. Sandra, if you will get on the first swirl, please. Brenda, if you will get on the next one right next to her. Miss Suzanne, if you could get on this swirl. Great job. You guys are doing an amazing job lining up. Jess, if you could come get on this swirl. And Jess, if you'll get on the next swirl for me, please. Yes, but we have to social distance from our friend, okay? Do you want to put your chalk in there? Can you place your ball in there for me, please? Thank you, all of you, for waiting so patiently for me. When we go inside, we will stand on a mark and we will take our restroom break. Please social distance as you walk and follow me.
Cleaning of equipment. Parents, you will see that Cobre Consolidated School District is committed to maintaining a clean and safe environment for your children to play and enjoy themselves and socialize at recess. In doing so, our custodial staff have been trained and have the equipment to spray down and disinfect all equipment on the playground. Then, waiting a few minutes, the next classes will be called out to come out and enjoy some fun time at recess.
Remember, kiddos, when we go into the bathroom, we need to sing our ABC song. Please do not poke holes in where the sink is covered up. Make sure you do not climb underneath the stall to use the stall that is locked. You use the stall that is closest to your sink, and that's how you use it. Will you please, George, will you go use the bathroom? Remember to sing the ABCs while you wash your hand. Jake, will you please go ahead and use the bathroom? Jess, if you'll go ahead, and Sandra, if you'll go ahead. Remember to social distance in the bathroom. Only use one stall and one sink. Great job, girls. Okay, class, it's time to get ready to go home. What I need for you to do is go ahead and take off your mask one ear at a time. And I need you to go ahead and take off your lanyard. Slip it off on both sides. And then go ahead and place your mask back on your face. Make sure your mask covers both your nose and your chin. Get your lanyard and stick it back into your bag, please. And stick it into your box that is next to you, whether it's green or blue, and place it in there. We will wait for them to announce what bus is ready.
Bus 26 students, line up and go to your bus. Bus 26 students, line up and go to your bus.
Jess, will you please go get your backpack and put it on, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. You did amazing today. Brenda, will you go ahead and grab your backpack? And we will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Bus 19 students, line up and go to your bus. Bus 19 students, line up and go to your bus.
Jess, you may go grab your backpack and line up. I hope you had a wonderful day. You did amazing today. Thank you. Suzanne, can you go ahead and grab your backpack, please? You had an awesome day today, too. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, teacher.
We will see you tomorrow.